So we are installing 6 windows and 3 doors plus 2 storm doors in this place. The old windows were very drafty, single pane wood windows. And so we replaced several already with new vinyl double hungs. Yeah, there was a lot of air coming in, some water. So some of these walls had shifted a little bit. There was some caulk broken and failed, water and air coming in. So we are resealing them once the new window's installed. Everything's fitting perfectly and it's all working well.
Your adjustments while placing the door. Have the mouse just out. So that way, this metal piece can slide right underneath, come out perfectly. And now on the inside there, that trim, that quarter round trim, meets the floor and the baseboard. You have to cut that back a little bit so it can slide in.
So I got measurements from the windowsill there, the old wood frame. Wrote them down here. So this is the measurements for the aluminum that will wrap that sill. Pretty similar?
Spot on.
This is my personal favorite part right here because you have to see the flaps come to shape.
The project went very, very well. Everything fit great. The measurements were taken perfectly, and we installed 3 legacy steel doors and 6 aspect windows by Previa. They were very pleased. Yeah, they looked at everything and operated it, and it was a major improvement over their previous windows and doors.